एक और कुछ ठीक है। थोड़ा सा हम इधर देखना, हम इधर हम तो घर के बाहर ना।
नहीं नहीं मैं and then we get so much traffic that आप हमारे डीजी सर सिन्हा साहब मैडम आप मैं आपकी नहीं मैम ये सर्दियों में तो I tell you what has happened is that I had very late lunch today. I had gone out and I came back at 3 o'clock and I had lunch. But you have to take. हमें डाल दे हम जल्दी से ले लें. Please यार enjoying कि हमारे यहाँ तो इतने बड़े-बड़े लोग जो हैं.
I'll try to assess that. Okay, sir.
बेटी को रिक्वेस्ट करना
आ जाओ
Ours are a socio-cultural organization run by wives of CPWD with the motto Jai Nirman, Jai Kalyan. We reach out not to the employees and their families but also to the workers and staffs who are temporarily engaged with the CPWD. Here in our organization, we ladies work together diligently under the leadership of incumbent President to aid the underprivileged and disadvantaged section of society. We provide aid in times of any national calamity and help other welfare organizations as well. Our guests of the evening are about to reach here in a moment. Please take your seat. Ladies and gentlemen, it's our honor and privilege kindly welcome our guest, our chief guest, Srimati Mala Gajar, our guest of honor, Shri Durga Shankar Mishra ji, Director General CPWD, with a huge round of applause. Kindly give a huge round the artist from Vivek welcome song in the honor of our guest as a mark of respect to welcome our guest on our behalf. Indeed, a wonderful, warm welcome from us to you, all the chief guests, all the guests present here, all the members. Once again, I welcome all of you to this auspicious occasion of 163rd CPWD Day. Now I request our President member to kindly escort our chief guest of honor, and our DG sir to the dais and take seat. All the members, all are requested to please escort our guest on the dais. All the guests present here, please give a huge round of applause.
करवा देना जब वो जाएंगे ना, मेरे जलाना शुरू करेंगे तो वॉल्यूम पे
Thank you so much, our esteemed guest on the dais. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce once again with our chief guest, Srimati Mala Baisal, our guest of honor, Shri Durga Shankar Mishra ji, Secretary, Ministry of Urban Development, our Director General CPWD, Shri Abhay Sinha ji. We are honored to have you with us today, ma'am and sir. Our chief guest, Srimati Mala Baisal, is a woman of substance in true sense. Ma'am, you have devoted your life for the upliftment of all those who are less fortunate than us, helping them by providing aid for their establishment in life and in their career, especially the girls. A hearty welcome to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for being with us. Please give a huge round of applause. Next, after every 2 or 3 sentences, please give yourself a huge round of applause so that we should feel, motivated and encouraged. Our guest of honor, Shri Durga Shankar Mishra ji, Secretary, Ministry of Urban Development, is a person of distinct vision and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas. With your vast experience in life, you have proved to be source of inspiration for most of the people and encouraged us to strive for excellence. Talia, please. Our DG CPWD, as we all know, is the best example of hard work, dedication, challenges and struggles of life. So humble and down to earth that we feel like a family with him. Sir, you have been a source of encouragement for the new generation as well as for all of us to excel in our life. We are thankful to all of our esteemed guests for making the presence out of their busy schedule. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would request our Vice President of Creches, Bal Basera, Mrs. Mamta Kumar, to welcome our chief guest, Srimati Mala Baisal, with a bunch of flowers as a gesture of respect and appreciation to her. I will request Mrs. Preeti Sinha, President of our association, to honor our chief guest with shawl and memento. Please give a huge round of applause. Thank you so much, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Now I would request our Joint Secretary, Mrs. Shifali Gupta, to honor our Secretary, Ministry of Urban Development, Shri Durga Shankar Mishra ji, with bunch of flower, and Mrs. Vinita Gaur, Vice President Programming, to greet our guest of honor with shawl and memento. Welcome, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now I call our General Secretary, Mrs. Veena Singh, to welcome our Director General CPWD with a bouquet of flowers. Welcome, sir. Thank you, ma'am, to do the honor. Respected all present here, as you all know, today is a special day for all of us. We feel exceptionally blessed and fortunate to share this day together in the honor of our office.